Every process begins in the quiet harvest of raw nature.
Before fermentation, precision starts at the source.
Purity is the first step toward refinement.
Only the finest botanicals move forward.
Freshness is protected like a rare ingredient.
Even nature must be shaped for science.
Time and air begin the transformation.
Control begins long before the factory walls.
Now the harvest becomes industrial cargo.
The journey to fermentation begins.
Traceability is the backbone of modern production.
From soil to system, the supply chain moves. Ahead lies the heart of transformation, where infusion becomes tradition. Every shipment enters under strict control. The raw harvest now meets the industrial world. Temperature and timing must never break. Freshness is preserved until the final second. Raw materials move like clockwork. The factory begins recording every step. Nothing enters without a digital identity.
This is the threshold of transformation.
Quality begins with human eyes.
Even inside, the climate is engineered.
The line prepares for its first operation. The raw harvest moves deeper inside. Now, preparation becomes precision.
The raw harvest meets its first purification.
Cleanliness is engineered at industrial scale. Only the pure material continues forward. Balance is everything in preparation. Technology sees what humans might miss. Precision sorting happens in milliseconds.
Human judgment still anchors the process.
Uniformity begins with separation. Now, ingredients gather for extraction. Every batch begins with exact math. Preparation is complete. Processing awaits. Sterility is the rule inside these walls.
The factory is ready for transformation.
Here, raw ingredients enter the heart of transformation.
Once sealed, the process becomes controlled science. Heat awakens the hidden compounds within. Motion ensures every drop becomes infused.
The first taste of progress is measured carefully.
Purity is refined through steel and pressure. Now the infusion prepares for its next evolution. Life begins its quiet work inside the tank.
Every reaction is tracked in real time.
Even invisible forces must be controlled.
Consistency is maintained through constant vigilance.
Next comes depth and time. Flavor is built in silence, one barrel at a time. Here, the infusion becomes something greater.
Time delivers complexity, but verification comes first.
Secondary processing begins only with approval. The aged product reunites into one controlled stream. Clarity is engineered through layers of steel. Refinement happens molecule by molecule. Uniformity is crafted through careful blending.
Even tradition is guided by precision.
Stability is built before bottling begins. The final filtration leaves nothing to chance. Now the product rests in perfect condition. Cleanliness is the silent backbone of industry. The final form is ready to be filled. From harvest to bottle, the transformation is complete. Automation ensures speed without sacrificing care. Every closure is engineered for precision. Consistency is locked in with every turn.
Technology watches every detail.
Only flawless product stays on the line. Identity is sealed onto every bottle. Machines pack faster than hands ever could. Traceability follows every shipment.
Scale is achieved through automation.
Protection is applied before the journey. The system moves product like a living network. Warehousing becomes fully autonomous.
Every step is unified under one intelligent system.
Now, the finished product prepares to leave.
Automation delivers the product on demand. The outside world awaits the finished product.
The factory's work now becomes cargo.
Security ensures trust across borders.
The final product is ready for distribution.
From harvest to shipment, the system is complete.
Even finished product undergoes rigorous scrutiny.
Clean hands and minds guard the integrity of every batch.
Perfection is visible at first glance.
Science confirms what the eye cannot see.
Safety is verified at the microscopic level.
Precision instruments leave no detail unchecked.
Consistency is measured in every drop.
Human senses still guide perfection.
Every batch carries a seal of trust.
Approval is recorded before any shipment moves.
Quality verified. The journey continues.
Every batch leaves with confidence.
Quality ensures the final product is fit for the world. Organization is the final step before shipment.
Every pallet's location is digitally tracked.
Preparation meets motion as the journey continues.
Precision ensures stability during transit. Safety is engineered at every angle.
Security ensures every shipment is protected.
The factory's work now becomes a moving fleet. The journey from production to distribution has begun.
Logistics carry the fruits of labor to the world.
A cycle completes, ready to begin anew.
Every shipment is tracked from factory to destination.
The day's work concludes, but the process never stops. From factory floor to global roadways, the journey carries on.
The finished product reaches its first global gateway. Security and documentation travel with every shipment.
The product begins its journey across the world's oceans.
And this is how modern factories produce snake wine from start to finish.